can go to configure, organ security, access manager, work in process to configure access for a particular access group and for different roles mentioned under that access group for various case types. If you open Gogoroad is to others access group, so basically in an operator record we can have multiple access group, but only one access group will be active at any point of time. Likewise, in an access group we can add multiple roles. So now I will open the operator record. As search is not working, I will open this role or and access group using alternate method. So you can add it here, like okay, it's already there. Click it here to open. This is another way to open if search is not working. So if you see in this operator ID record, we can add multiple access groups. The purpose of adding access group is to give the context. It is for authorization purpose. Purpose of operator ID record is authentication purpose. Basically, we'll enter the user ID and password to be able to log in. But the purpose of access group is for authorization purpose. That is to give control whether he has access to a particular application, which rules, what is the context. So if you open any access group, you can see the application name. So when you open that application, whatever rules are present in that application stack, in that application and also in its built-on applications, whatever rule sets are mentioned. So these rules only, with these rules only one can access. So if any rule is there, activity or data transform in these rule sets, then you can access. Else you cannot access. So this is the other access group. So we can give different portals actually. These all are the different portals which you can give. And also you can mention here roles. These are the multiple roles. So if you see the others, same access group you can view from the access manager. So there are 3 roles here. The 3 are nothing but here. If you want additional role, you can add here. So that will come as another column here. Now if you open any other role, there you can see what are privileges are there. So if you see here, administrator is having all are ticked. That's why nothing is there, no access restriction. Everything is okay, granted, available. So let's open something which is not having all. For example, security administrator is having into. See here, at different classes, it has different values. So this is called PX has certificate. This is called access conditional based. Means we are mentioning some when rule. As you can see here, you can click on anything. Okay, like this is built on Pega provided roles, so we can't modify. But this is we have added Gogoroad is in our application layer, so we can modify that. So as you can see here, this is in Pega LP, Pega rule set. We cannot modify that. You see this Gogoroad is to Pega API. It is in Gogoroad rule set, our application. We can modify. OOTP ones we cannot modify. So when you click on this, we have 3 options. Full access. Full access means you will get a tick mark. Completely access, available. No access means into mark, not available. You cannot access this. You can have conditional access. Conditional means you have to provide some when rule. If that when rule evaluates to true, then you can access. That when rule evaluates to false, you cannot access. So if you keep any like full access or conditional access or no access, say for example I will keep some conditional access and I will add some dummy when rule. Actually you have to create your own when access when condition, and this entire landing page is auto savable. So you need not press any save button. You can, if you want, you can press refresh to cross check that whatever you have added is reflecting here. So now you can go here and you can refresh it. See, I did not. One option is you can add manually from here. You can add the class. You can write different values, but that is not recommended. It's always recommended to ask from the Access Manager landing page. So if you want to give different values after adding from there, now you can come here and you can give here 5, delete instance 5, like that. You can give different, what is the use of these levels I will tell in the coming part of the video. So here you have to save it. So even if you save here, still you can access that from here as well. So there I have given 5, here it will come as tick mark, because 5 is like full access. Giving 5 there is nothing but full access. What is that meaning of 5? We will see in the coming videos.